Today I'm going to show you guys how to change spark plugs on a Mercedes-Benz 2010 E550. So I'm going to get straight to the point and I make this video longer than it has to be. So first you got to take out this cover. Then for this right here, it's a little tight to pull off, but you just pull it off this way and it's going to come out. It's a little tight though. Then for this second cover right here, you got to make sure you take this off and then you just pull straight up. Make sure it come off easy. Then everything else is real simple. All you gotta do is grab a T30 and you gotta take out these two bolts off. Then after you take out those two bolts, all you gotta do is just take this out. And if you were to be changing the coil, all you gotta do is just press on this little clip right here and then just pull it back. And for the spark plug, you're gonna need a 5/8. I got a magnetic one. It just makes everything easier. And for this car, I'm gonna go with NGK. For spark plugs, I always try to get not too expensive, but nothing that's too cheap. And just look at how this old spark plug compares to the new one. And I see a lot of people doing this, but please don't. When you're putting in the spark plug, please thread it in by hand. Do not use a gun. Don't you ever use a gun, because if you mess up those threads, you're gonna have a good day. Just tighten it by hand and then just grab a ratchet and you're good to go. For these bolts, you do not need to go that tight. As you can see, it's loose by hand. All you gotta do is just grab a ratchet. And then literally that's it. You don't need to go that tight. And a lot of people get scared when tightening down spark plugs. You do not need to be scared. All you gotta do is just make sure that it's in right when you do it by hand. And then you just gotta make sure that washer kind of crushes. You just go in tight bit by bit, and then that's it. All right, so I just finished putting in all the new spark plugs. Look at how beat up these old ones look. And I'm sure I don't need to show you guys how to put everything back together. It's pretty straightforward. And one more thing, the cap on this car was broken. So I'm gonna be changing that out for this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, anybody could do this at home. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.